In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new pair of glasses that I purchased from Clearly.ca. So I've got my knife just here off camera. We're going to go ahead and open it. So I did purchase a pair of Versace glasses. They come in this really nice, sleek Versace case that looks like this. And let's see, first reveal. Oh wow, these look good. I'm so excited. I got a little bit more of a cat eye this time. My current ones, I'm looking at them right now. Well, they're very similar. They are still a bit of a cat eye, and I'll explain why I chose this pair as opposed to the pair that I am currently wearing right now. So this is what they're looking like. As you can see, they have a black frame with gold hardware here, gold hardware on the arms, but with a clear casing on the arm, which I really like. One of the main features why I decided to purchase these glasses. So excited to try them on. Overall, really happy with these glasses. I think they're gonna look absolutely great on. I did want to mention I got transition lenses. I always typically get transition lenses because I do have prescription glasses and I don't want to be switching out sunglasses. So these are transitions, meaning that when I go in the sunlight, they will turn into like a sunglass. These are so nice. So the details of these glasses is that the code is VE3255-54. I will have a description as well as a link to these glasses in the description box. And essentially they are described as a cat eye D-frame with a telegraph, classy confidence, and a whip smart style. The main features on these glasses is definitely the translucent arm. So that's, again, one of the things that I absolutely love about these. So these are my current pair of glasses. They are a Versace prescription pair. These also have a transitional lens. So in the sunlight, they will change to like a sunglass, to a shaded lens, I guess. I don't even know what the correct terminology is. One of the main reasons I am getting a new pair of glasses is because I am overdue. And yeah, the arm on this one is broken. My child was playing and broke my glasses. So that's been fun for the last month and a half, walking around with tape. Very ghetto. This is my current pair right now. So very similar, as you can see, to this pair, except for the bottom on these ones are rimless, so to speak, and the arm on this, although it has some gold detailing, it's completely black. Now, putting this one aside, I really do love these lenses. However, the thing that I love about these lenses that I can't wait is mainly for the arm. The fact that the casing on the arm here is clear is a huge bonus for me, because for myself, the arms on the glasses with, you know, sweat, hair product, wear and tear, they always get discolored, they always get scratched. This one isn't as bad. Like, maybe you can kind of see it here. Where it's a little bit discolored, it's a little bit scratched, and I've had these for 2 years. I get my glasses every 2 years. So this pair is 2 years old, pretty much to the date. So yeah, it gets really discolored through sweat, hair products, water, things like that. My Ray-Bans, horrendous, absolutely horrible. So I'm really excited about this because I know that with a clear casing, the wear and tear is going to be much less visible, if at all visible, to somebody like at the naked eye. Whereas when I was wearing this pair, if I wore my hair up and stuff like that, I felt a little bit uncomfortable because you can kind of see like the sides like poking through, and it was like discolored. Like it wasn't cute. It looked really ghetto, and I didn't like that. And actually the arm that's broken on this pair is much worse than this. If I can find it. It's really upstairs, but I'm too lazy to get it for the sake of filming this video. But it's pretty bad. So that's one thing that I'm loving about this new Versace pair. So overall, I'm very excited. I'm very happy with the pair. I haven't tried them on yet, but I will give it a try and let you guys know what I think. But overall, I think I'm really gonna like the way that it looks and the way how it suits my face. I think I'll be very happy considering it's very similar to this pair, and I love this pair, and I've gotten a ton of compliments on this pair. I have always had a really good customer service experience with shopping on Clearly. I know it can be difficult sometimes when you're purchasing things online and you don't have the opportunity to go in store and see how things look. I've been buying with Clearly, I would say, for the past maybe 5-6 years, and I've never had a bad experience. You can try the glasses on through the models, as well as they have sort of like an artificial AI, artificial intelligence type of thingamajiggy. I'm not sure of the correct terminology, but there is a way to try the glasses on using your computer. Like, I mean, it's not like 100%, but it's pretty decent. It's pretty accurate. But like I said, I've never had an issue with the glasses that I purchased from Clearly, and I know that they have a pretty good exchange and return policy if in the event that you happen to have an issue with your glasses. So that being said, overall, I'm super happy with my new glasses purchase, and I can finally be walking around with confidence again. No more tape on my glasses, and I need to be extra careful when I'm playing with my child so I don't break them again. But overall, I'm just really excited about this. Like, I love the arm detail. I love the fact that it's clear and they're no longer gonna look ugly through the wear and tear and hair products. So overall, I'm really excited about the arms of this. So yeah, these will be my new glasses for the next 2 years, and we'll be on to the next. And if you happen to like my current glasses, I will have a link to those ones in the description bar as well. Again, I really like them, but my main issue is with the fact that after a while, the wear and tear just really shows up on the arm and they don't look as nice. Like I had mentioned Ray-Bans, my Ray-Bans were way worse. So yeah. Also, I didn't want to end this video without a very, very important notable mention. And that's one thing that I love about Clearly is they currently have a promotion going on right now. I don't know when it started or how long it lasts, but it's buy one, give one. And essentially their mission is to eliminate poor vision. So what that means is that when you purchase a pair of glasses, if you check the box for them to give one, you are allowing them to donate a pair of glasses to somebody worldwide, which I absolutely love. It's at zero cost to you, literally no cost to you. So why not? So when I purchased these glasses, somebody in the world got another pair of glasses, which makes my heart so full. It made me so happy. I almost wish I had purchased another pair just for that reason alone. So if you haven't purchased through Clearly, I would highly suggest and recommend that you do purchase through them for the buy one, give one aspect. And to be honest, as I mentioned previously, from a customer service standpoint, I've never had any issues with the brand, with the company. They've been great. Where I'm currently located, they actually have a storefront. Never been to the storefront, to be completely honest. I've just always ordered online. But it's comforting to know that they do have a storefront in the event I had any issues, which I haven't. But I just love the idea behind the buy one, give one. So for every pair purchased, they will donate to somebody in need, which is absolutely an amazing cause. So I would highly suggest that you support Clearly.ca for that reason alone. In any event, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you've shopped with Clearly before, please leave a comment down below letting me know how your experience was. I'd love to engage with you. And until next time, bye for now.